something that I'm really excited about. It's kind of different. You guys have already read the title. I'm going to try 5 unconventional lipstick colors on the Indian skin tone, which is my skin tone, of course. I have collected these lipsticks over time, like you know, at different point of time I bought these, and I'm very excited to show you guys how these lipsticks would look on me. So basically, Indian women tend to, you know, stick to lipstick colors such as nudes or pinks, reds, and max to max browns. It's true that all these colors, you know, these nudes and pinks and all look good on the skin tone, but that does not mean that other lipstick colors, like, you know, little different ones shouldn't look good on us. I don't know, like, you know, basically maybe it's like a culture or where we come from. We're not very experimental when it comes to makeup or even, you know, anything of that sort of, you know, trying a different color. It's not very easily accepted by the people around us, especially our families and stuff. Like even my own family, like I can't wear a good bold red lipstick to a family function, you know. They judge me. So yeah, even my mom, when she wants me to pick her lipstick, you know, she's like, Judy, pick a color which like it shouldn't look like she's worn a lipstick. Then I'm like, why are you even wearing a lipstick, you know? I mean, it's not her fault, but like we tend to be quite conservative when it comes to makeup. These colors that I'm going to show you are quite bold, they're quite different, and I must tell you that with the right attitude you can rock these colors, okay? So if you want to know which of these lipsticks, then please sit back and keep watching this video. Alright, so I'm starting off with my personal favorite, which is the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick. So Fenty Beauty by Rihanna launched these beautiful 14 matte lipsticks, which she claims to be universally flattering on all skin tones. This is a matte lipstick, but it has a very comfortable formula. It comes in a tube like this, and yeah, so we're gonna try it right now. So here you go, this is Mattemoiselle by Fenty Beauty in the shade Clapback. When you saw me applying itself, you might have understood that in the first swipe itself, I got the full color payoff. I didn't have to go over it multiple times to get this sort of pigmentation. Like, yeah, of course I had to go over the sides and all that, that's just to fill in all parts of the lips. The best part about this lipstick is that, like, it feels so comfortable on the lips. It's just like wearing another lip balm. It doesn't feel drying on the lips or anything. You guys should definitely try this range by Fenty. So I remember when I went to buy this lipstick, I went alone. So I asked the guy at the Sephora, you know, who's standing the counter, I asked him, does this color suit me? And he was like, yeah, it does suit you. Because you're not very fair, like because you belong to the dusky complexion, it really blends in with your complexion. This particular shade really blends in with your skin tone. And then he told something that I felt was really important. It's all about the attitude. Like if you're comfortable and if you feel that, oh my god, like I'm rocking the shade. If you have that kind of an attitude, then this lipstick will look wonderful on you. On the other hand, he was telling me, like, Dubai is kind of a bit conservative. Like a crowd is not so welcoming to such colors. So if you are comfortable, I mean, if you are not comfortable wearing it, then you shouldn't wear it, you know. And I was like, no honey, I'm a makeup blogger, and if I'm not comfortable wearing it, then who will? So yeah, the next point is, guys, I feel lipsticks, they should be pigmented, they should be long wearing, etc. But at the same time, for me, lipstick should be easy to remove also, okay? Like I can't keep pulling my lips here and there just to remove a lipstick. Honestly, most matte lipsticks, the problem arises because it's too difficult to remove them. Here I'm going to remove this lipstick right here on camera itself, just to show you guys that it's so easy to even remove this lipstick. So I'm just using a wet wipe and I'm going to remove it. See, it's quite simple. Okay, so moving on to the next color. This is by Gerard Cosmetics and this is in the shade Gravity. This is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful grey color with a purple undertone. Again, Gerard Cosmetics, they have some great lipstick, like matte lipsticks and liners, and you know, like so many types of lipsticks, and with a very good shade range too. So yeah, let's just apply this on the lips right now. So this is how the lip shade looks like. It's an absolutely stunning cool tone grey color that can look very good on Indian skin tone. I bought this lipstick long back from directly from their site itself, but now you can buy Gerard Cosmetics from Vuju stores in Dubai, which is across most of the malls. Recently there was this masterclass by Gerard herself, like she had come all the way to Dubai, and it was very nice. It was a very sweet short masterclass, and then she introduced herself and the products, everything. Very sweet person, and personally, I feel Gerard lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks, they are one of the best lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that I've tried. They're not drying on the lips, good pigmentation. This is just one swipe, okay? I haven't gone over and over again. This is just one swipe, and yeah, it's a pretty good lipstick. So this was the second color, and this is Gravity by Gerard Cosmetics. Moving on to the next shade, this is a dark green color, and this is called Crocodile Tears. Very different, very dramatic, very bold, just like the creator himself, Jeffree Star. I think this Crocodile Tears is my first bold purchase. Yeah, I think it was Crocodile Tears, and after that I bought Gerard Cosmetics, the previous lipstick. So let's just see how this green beauty is going to look on my lips. I don't know if you guys can notice, the application, it's a bit streaky. I have to go over once more to get the full on pigment. So that's me wearing Crocodile Tears, and we have some serious twinning moment out here. Like in this commercial, even Jeffree Star is wearing the Crocodile Tears, but it definitely looks different because his skin tone is different, mine is different, he's edited, I'm not edited, so yeah. So I have gone through 2 times, and it's still a bit streaky here and there on my lips. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is a bit streaky still. The thing with these colors, it's not very easy to formulate lipsticks with green pigments and stuff. But again, it's a very fun color, and the kind of color that can wear for music festivals. My only complaint is that the lipstick is a bit streaky. But yeah. Next, moving on to the second last lipstick for today's video. This is again by Jeffree Star, and this is a beautiful purple shade. The shade is called I Am Reality. Yeah, we have already 2 unconventional lipstick shades by Jeffree Star. I mean, if you guys are familiar with Jeffree Star, then it's not quite surprising that the most unconventional lipstick shades should be from his line. So next we're going to apply this on the lips. So that's I'm Royalty on my lips. The formulation of this lipstick is much better than the Crocodile Tears that I applied before. It's not all streaky, and I really like how it is applied. I feel this shade is not that difficult to pull off like for most of us. It's a nice shade of purple that can look good, if worn with the right crowd. So yeah, that was by Jeffree Star, and then next we're moving on to the final lipstick. Alright, moving on to the final lipstick. Oh my god, with all this, applying lipstick, putting it off, applying lipstick, putting it off, I just can't feel my lips anymore. Okay. The final one is by Colourpop. This is in the shade 3-Way. This color by Colourpop, let me just show it to you guys. This is like a metallic mauve purple shade. The color by itself is not so unconventional, but the finish is, it's a metallic lipstick, and I don't see much people sporting metallic lipstick. So I thought of including this one too in my collection of unconventional lipsticks. So let's just go ahead and apply it. That's how a metallic mauvey purpley shade looks on NC42. NC42 is my shade in MAC. Personally, I don't prefer metallic finishes, comparatively, but if you think you can rock a metallic lip, then you must definitely try different colors, etc. Nowadays brands are coming up with a lot of metallic lipsticks, and these are pretty comfortable to wear actually. It's not as drying as matte lips. If you like the finish of metallic, then you should definitely try it. So that was it, guys. We come to an end of this swatching of unconventional lipstick shades. I personally had a lot of fun doing this video because, if you ask me which is my favorite makeup item, I would say it's lipstick. Nothing can easily change or transform your look like that of a lipstick. Okay, so I really hope you guys had fun watching this video, and most importantly you guys got an idea of how these different colors would look on an Indian skin tone. If you guys are somewhere close to my skin shade, by now you might have got a good idea of how these colors would look on you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and feel free to share my video among your friends, family, anyone who's interested in makeup. By the way guys, do comment below which was your favorite lipstick or which is your favorite shade, and if you have any video requests etc, please post it down below. And if you're still not following me on Instagram, please do. It's Judyshibu91. So till I see you guys next time, take care and bye.